Take a look at my Phantom wallet, $4.89 million all from launching meme coins. No hype, just a strategy that prints. Stay locked in, I'll show you how I pulled it off. I used to think trading was a move to make a shit ton of money or to escape the matrix. But bro, every time I tried to chase the next new fucking big meme coin, I got completely dumped on. Every single entry turned into a loss completely. Then I realized the real profits goes to the devs behind these coins. Because when you dev your own coins, you control the supply, the narrative, and the timing of the coin. You risk absolutely nothing as a creator because you're deving for free and dumping for money. And with Bitcoin hitting highs and Solana currently surging, this is the best time to start deving. Trust me bro, you do not want to miss this fucking video. Now obviously this video is for educational purposes only. I am not a financial advisor and nothing here is financial advice. Now Pump.Fun is complete chaos. Even though they just came out with a new feature where you can stream coins, too many tokens are flooding in the website. There's no visibility and no control over your own liquidity. That's exactly why I stopped using Pump.Fun, because every single time I launch a coin, your coin has to reach a $90,000 market cap and you just have to get lucky to hit that goal. Now that's exactly why I switched to create tokenfast, because on this website, your project launches straight to Raydium. It's instantly graduated and starts trading right away. When you launch a coin here, it goes to Raydium, right? So it's migrated instantly and a shit ton of investors are going to start seeing your coin. Now with create tokenfast, you've got two routes to launch and create and dev a meme coin. The first route is to build from scratch. So choose a meme or a trend. I would highly recommend to go on any social media platform. I'm gonna go on X, okay, and look for something trending, okay, like these two crocodiles. Don't get involved in crypto, it's too risky. That could be good, I guess. Now anti-immigration protest, that could be good too. Okay, just anything, right? Once you have a good narrative that's decent, come back to create tokens.io, just create a name for it, add a symbol, and take the screenshot of the narrative and just slap it right here, then do next, and just like that, your coin is created from scratch. But the second method, it's my favorite one because it's the most profitable, which makes the most money, and that's the copy trending coins tab. Now these coins right here all have a good narrative and they're all proven to go viral, which means they're all hot on Pump.Fun. All you have to do is copy them here and instantly launch them to Raydium, which will get immediately migrated, and since they already have buyers and hype, you will get instant traffic and profits. Alright, let's cut out the talk. I'm about to make a coin right now, dev it, and make a shit ton of money. So first of all, make sure Phantom wallet is connected with create tokens.io. Then click on refresh list, and let's look for a coin to copy. It could be literally anything, okay? I'm gonna go with the Airbnb coin. It looks unique. It has a last buy 3 seconds ago and a $52.5 thousand market cap. So create coin. Oh my god. Ignore the warning and the block from Phantom, it's completely normal, just go through it, so proceed, confirm, understand, confirm, then the coin should be created. All you have to do is just wait, and then boom, now it's time to create the liquidity pool. Now this step is pretty straightforward. We're adding liquidity so the token can instantly become tradable on Raydium. The first step is for the amount token A. Just click 90%. That's gonna drop 900 million tokens into the liquidity pool. Right under the amount token B, this is your first buy-in into your own coin. It's really fucking easy. Basically, the minimum is 0.3 SOL, and do not worry, it is not money lost. It's just locked in, and you'll get it back later when you pull out the liquidity. I'm gonna put 0.35 SOL, then click on create pool, and then click on confirm. When that's done, simply click on refresh under here, and if you scroll down, boom, the Airbnb coin is on live. Our P&L is at $0, and if y'all click on refresh for a second time, now we're up $200, which means people are actively buying the coin. Now click on view on Photon to see the chart. What the fuck? Let me just refresh and go on full screen for you guys because it's really new. Come on. Oh my god, bro! What the fuck? It's already pumping. Oh my god. We're already up a couple $100 on this fucking coin. Yeah, what is happening right now? Now, you guys, do not be emotional, okay? The coin is going to go up because more and more people are going to start buying the coin. More and more people are going to see the coin on the Raydium DEX right here. So please do not be emotional. This is all money which you did not spend a dime to make. Okay, the market cap is at 1.5k. Things are looking juicy. Let's go, 50 bucks. One more big buy and I'll be fucking happy, bro. Come on now. Oh my god, bro! What the fuck? What? Okay, should I dump the coin? Actually, no, I'm not gonna dump no, not right now, actually. I'm gonna wait a couple more minutes. Come on. Now, I'm gonna give this coin a couple more minutes. I'm gonna be right back, so enjoy the show. Okay guys, I'm back. It looks like we're at a $2.2 thousand market cap. It looks kinda dead, like we haven't gotten a transaction. Oh, we just got one, but yeah. I think I'm gonna cash out money before it goes even downer. So come back to createtokens.io and click on the refresh button. And as you guys can see, our P&L is at $1.8 thousand. Now click on the minus button, do 100%, remove the money out of the fucking coin. And now as you guys can see, I'm going to receive this amount of money. Click on confirm. And bah! That's exactly how you dive a meme coin and print generational wealth.